Bobadilla. Number 8, Tyrone Macuin. And number 10, Ivan Manalili. First possession belongs to Silog. Arias Macuin. Pass to Manalili. Turnovers on the return. Chan to Kuya. Kuya drive. Kaya the score becomes a good moment. Chan put back is good for 10. Arias Macuin. Manalili to Santos. Santos fake. 6 seconds to shoot. Santos lapas to Manalili. Manalili. Shot no good. Rebound. Taps by Atapulo to Carlo. Kuya to the cutting. Christoph uses the glass. 2-pointer is good for Cabral. Arias, directed traffic to Macuin, corner tray, overshoots, rebound Manalili. Bobadilla to Arias, Santos, fake, gets it out to Arias, 4 seconds to shoot, 2 seconds to shoot. Bobadilla to make the buzzer, rebound Macuin. Fresh 14 for Silog, Arias for Gray to score, rebound. Santos, shot no good, rebound Macuin. Jump ball sa mga referee, possession, Legacy SS. 4 series the score in favor of Legacy. This is week 8, first game between Silog and Legacy SS. Kuya to San to Cameron heading baseline. Takes it out to Capuno, let it slide, goal secured by Santos. Arias against Stan. Hesitation move to Santos. Santos Macuin. All alone. Corner tray. Bang! 3-point run is good for Tyrone Macuin. Kuya. Man. Pass to Cameron to the cutting Capuno. Layup is no good. Rebound. Santos. Arias manning the point for Silog. Spin. In trouble. Loses the ball. Stolen by Capuno. Capuno to Kuya. Kuya. Drop pass to San. Drop pass to Cabral to Capuno. Capuno to San. San settles the offense. 10 seconds to shoot. Cameron to Kuya. Kuya for three to strong. Manalili secures the ball for Silog. Manalili. Bobadilla. Inside. No good. Rebound. Santos. Put by Santos is good. Silog with the upper hand now. 1 point lead for Silog. Capuno to Kuya. Kuya directing traffic to Crystal. Back to Kuya. 2-man game. Kuya fakes. Shot. No good. Bobadilla secures the rebound for Silog. 6 minutes and 12 in the first quarter. Arias was ready. Short rebound. Santos. Turnover for Silog. And first turnover for Silog. Christoph block by Bobadilla. Shot is blocked by Bobadilla. Foul on number 10, Manalili. First personal foul, first team foul. Two free throws will be awarded to Cameron. First free throw for Cameron is good. Tied ball in, 5 apiece. One out of 2 for Cameron. Sky sky-high for the rebound of Santos. Arias. Aquawin, same spot, different result. Rebound Capuno. Tan. No pass to Kuya, uses the glass. 2-pointer is good for Kuya. 2-point lead by Legacy. Arias. Aquawin. Crossword pass to Arias. Arias to Ubadilla. Ubadilla to Aquawin. Same spot. No good. Rebound. Ball out of bounds. Possession Legacy assist. 7-5 is the score in favor of Legacy. 4 minutes and 20 in the first quarter. Capuno for Trey. No good. Rebound. Kuya, floater is good. Kuya. 4-point lead now for Legacy. Arias to the ball. One-on-one against Kuya. To Santos. Santos running baseline. Fake. Shot. No good. But there's a foul on Legacy. Foul number 18. Christos Cabral. First personal foul. First team foul. Gab Santos travels to the free throw line, shooting 2 free throws. Next sublet. First free throw for Santos is good. Dead ball. So on 2 sublet. Santos perfect at the free throw line. Taxidis checks in. Rabiging checks in. Aquawini and Manalili checks out for Silog. 9-7 is the score in favor of Legacy assist. Kuya directing traffic. To Tan to Kuya. Kuya leaves the ball. Oh my Santos. Santos to the Cabral. Santos to Camigi to Arias. Arias for Trey. Short. Rebound Camigi looking for teammate. First pointing to Silo. Santos for Trey. No good. Rebound Kuya. The time for Trey. No good. Rebound Arias. Ubadilla. Hook shot kay Ubadilla. No good. Rebound Cabral. 2-point lead by Legacy. Kuya against Camigi. Kuya, the time. Sang nakata na puno. Floater, uses the glass. Foul on number 3, Edwin Ubadilla. First personal foul, second team foul. Chance for a 3-point play for Capuno. Bonus free throw for Capuno. No good in the bonus free throw. Rebound. Santos. Foul. Legacy assist. Number 18, Christos Cabral. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Arias with the ball. Gets it out to Camigi. Camigi for Trey. Now the rebound, Santos. To Ubadilla, no good in the shot, but there's a foul. Foul on Legacy assist. What's called that? Foul on number 18. That's 3 on Cabral, third team foul. Christos Cabral, third personal foul. So 2 free throws will be awarded to Edwin Ubadilla. First free throws are good. Second free throw is no good. Rebound, Taxidis. Taxidis to Bobadilla. Shot is no good. Rebound, Cameron. Shot is out. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 11 for Legacy assist, 7 for Silog. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter. This is week 6. First game between Legacy Assist and Silog. Second quarter possession belongs to Silog. Kamigi. Manning the points for Silog. To Santos, back to Kamigi. Kamigi to Santos. Fakes. Shot. No good, but this is a foul Legacy. Number 0, Lloyd Balisay. First personal foul, first team foul. Oh, 2 free throws will be awarded to Gab Santos. First free throw is good for Santos. Two out of 2 for Gab Santos. Kapuno for Trey, too strong. Rebound, Dalisay. Dalisay, rebounded by Santos. Possession remains with Legacy. 11 to shoot for Legacy.
Get the ball!
Cameron. Pass stolen by Kamigi. Easily by Kamigi. Traveling violation committed by Kamigi. Turnover for Silog. Possession Legacy. Tan against Judah. Tan inside pass is too strong for Cameron, fallen by Santos. Santos to Judah. Judah to Taxidis. Taxidis to Judah. Judah to Taxidis. Taxidis loses the ball. Ball recovered by Manili. Possession. Jump ball. Possession. Legacy. Next subject. Time to Rose. Rose, half time. Denied, but there's a foul. Foul number 21. Gab Santos. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution run.
Second quarter sa kanila bola.
Yeah, but you guys will jump that. Jump up. Like hold it.
Gordon, go!
Taxidis checks out. Aquilino checks in. First free throw is no good for Rose. Zero to Rose, but Dalisay has an offensive rebound. Cameron for 3, overshoots, rebound. Akumin. Akumin against Rose to Judah. Judah corner tray. Short. Ball hits the brace of the backboard. Possession Legacy. It's just a 2-point lead for Legacy. Time to Canada. Opponent of time. Time, top of the head tray. Bang! 3-point shot is good for Josh Tan. Kamigi to Akumin. Akumin to Judah. Akumin against Dalisan. Akumin shot, short rebound, foul. Turnover for Legacy. Manalili shot, uses the glass. 2-point shot is good for Manalili. Time to Dalisan. Cross-court pass to Kapuno. Good ball movement for Legacy. Kapuno to Tan, and then jumper short. Rebound Kamigi. Kamigi pass to Judah. Judah's not doing the pass. Stolen by Tan. Tan, one pass to Rose. Stolen by Gabsan. Sloppy play on both teams. Santos drives. Lays it up again. Time out, left, time out. Time out. Legacy assist. 5 minutes and 24 in the second quarter. Official score 14 for Legacy, 13 for Siloam. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the first game between Legacy Assist and Siloam. Legacy Assist holding on to 1-point lead. Angelo manning the point for Legacy against Ribanal. Kuya to Tan. Tan to Dalisan. Dalisan. Cross-court pass to Tan. Tan to the cutting Dalisan. And time. Shot is good for Lauren Dalisan. Starting the drive for Legacy. Arias. Screen by Bobadilla. To Kamigi. Kamigi loses the ball. Saves it to Arias. 6 seconds to shoot. Arias to Santos. Shot over. That was a foul. Foul on Legacy Assist. Pushing foul on number 7. Stephen Cameron. First personal foul. Second team foul. So Santos will go to the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. First free throw in and out. Legacy Assist with a 3-point lead. 2 minutes and 42 in the second quarter. 0 out of 2 for Santos. Rebound Cameron. Cameron with the ball. That was a foul. Reach and foul on number 21. Santos, second personal foul, 17 foul. Kuya directing traffic for Legacy. Driven by Lloyd. Kuya, Lloyd Alisa. Mid-range Jay. Too strong. Rebound. Kamigi. Kamigi to Arias. Arias. Pops. Money for Arias. Arias. down to 1. Time to Kuya. Kuya against the Banal. Kuya to Lloyd Danisa. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya with a fadeaway jump is good for Angelo Kuya. The lead is 3 for Legacy. 1 minute and 40. Gab Santos for 3. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Gab Santos. Kuya to 10. 10 to Cameron to Dalisa. Dalisa. Long two is good for Roy Dalisa. Back and forth battle between these two teams. 2.8 for Legacy. 1.9 seconds. In the second quarter. Coming for Trey. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Santos. Santos. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound. Rebound Kamigi. Kamigi to Santos. Santos. Fadeaway James. Strong rebound of Padilla. Contact by Padilla is good. Side ball now. Training the pace. Kuya. Right to baseline. Kicks it out to Cameron. Time with the ball against Kamigi. To Kuya. Kuya. Kuya under duress. Possession will remain with Legacy. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya. To Cameron. Cameron. Long two. No good. Rebound. Bupadilla. Bupadilla to Judah. Judah against 10. Layup is good for Judah Rimanal. Shot clock is up. Last 7 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot. Kuya. Level 2. Basket is good for Angelo Kuya. Tied ball game, 22 apiece. That's the end of the first half. Okay, back to the ball game. Second half of our week 6. First game between Legacy Assist and Silog. Third quarter possession belongs to Silog. Taxidis to Aquin. Aquin to Manalili. Manalili to Santos. Straightaway jumper. No good. Rebound. Greg Politua. Kuya to Cameron. Cameron driving baseline. Layup is good for Cameron. 2-point lead for Legacy Assist. Arias. Directing traffic for Silog. Arias. Drop pass to Santos. Rivers. Layup is good. Degree of difficulty with the shot of Santos. Pass to Click and stolen by Aquin. Aquin with numbers. Aquin to Taxidis. Fadeaway jumper. Too strong. Rebound Cameron. Dalisay against Manalili. Dalisay to Greg. Politua. Blocked by Santos. Denied by Santos. Possession will remain with Legacy. Politua to Dalisay. To Kuya against Aquin. Screen by Dalisay. Kuya, fadeaway Jerry. Short rebound Santos. Side ball game. 24 apiece. Arias against Dalisay. To Santos. Santos against Capuno. Step back jumper. No good, but this is foul. Pushing foul on number 8, Aling Capuno. First personal foul, first team foul. So, Gab Santos will be awarded 2 free throws to Silog. Chance for Silog to take lead. Oh, sorry. The score is 24 apiece. First free throw is good for Santos. One out of 2 for Santos. Rebound Politua. Cameron with the ball. Stop back. No good rebound. Kuya. To Dalisay. Dalisay to Kuya. Against Arias. Kuya. Stop back. No good. Put back by Cameron. No good. But it's a foul. Foul on Silog. Number 8. Aquin. First personal foul. First team foul. Cameron will be awarded 2 free throws for Legacy. First free throw for Cameron, giving Legacy a 1-point lead. Oh, sorry, it's a tied ball game, 25 apiece. My bad. Second free throw is no good for Cameron. Possession is no good. Arias for play, no good. Rebound. Santos to Aquin. Taxidis, floater, no good. Put back by Santos, no good. Rebound again by Santos. Arias against Capuno. Arias to Santos. Shot is no good. Rebound, Politua. Dalisay to Cameron. Cameron. Shot is down for the foul. Whipping hard for the foul for Cameron. Foul number 10, Manalili. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, right? Manalili checks out. Bobadilla checks in. Chance for a 3-point play for Cameron. giving Legacy assist a 2-point lead. Next sub-rep. Bonus meters now. Good rebound, Santos. Santos. Stolen by Cameron. Cameron to be streaking Capuno. Turnover for Legacy. Substitution rep. The left side checks out. Tan checks in. Kamigi to Taxidis. Taxidis to Santos. Santos let it fly for play. Another rebound. Cameron. Cameron was thinking Kuya. All alone. That is good for Kuya. The lead is 4 now for Legacy assist. Bobadilla against Scott. But there's a foul. Foul on what's foul that? Number 13, Palitua. First personal foul, 17 foul. Plus 14 for Silo. Santos to Arias to Taxidis. Taxidis floater, no good. Rebound, Cameron. Kuya to Cameron. Cameron shot. Foul number 34. Taxidis, first personal foul, 13 foul, sub-rep. Cameron, chance for a 3-point play. The lead is now 6 for Legacy. Chance for a 3-point play for Cameron. Bonus takers no good, rebound to Badillo. Next sub-rep. Arias again. Tan, Arias, that pass to Manalili. Arias is good for Manalili. Carrying the mid to 4 for Silo. Kuya. Tan, back to Kuya. Kuya against Kamigi. Kuya to Tan. 4 seconds to shoot. Foul number 23, substitution rep. Arias, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. So 2 shots, 2 free throws will be awarded to Kuya. Sorry, to Tan, rather. First free throw is no good. Next sub-rep. 2 minutes and 29 remaining in the third quarter. This is week 8. Sorry, week 6. First game between Legacy and Silo. Second turnover, no good rebound. Manalili to Kamigi. Turnover stolen by Kuya. Kuya, man the point for Legacy. 2 minutes and 5 seconds in the third quarter. Kuya to Tan. 7 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Kuya, runner. Rebound, Manalili. 1 minute and 48. Kamigi to Arias. Arias to Santos. Santos. Turnover. Possession. Legacy. Palitua to Tan. 1 minute and 27 in the third quarter. Tan to Kuya. Back to Tan. To Cabral. Lifting violation committed by Legacy. Turnover for Cabral. 1 minute and 9 seconds in the third quarter. Silo down by 4. Arias to Santos. Santos stolen by Tan. This is by Tan. Tan! Tan! Arias is going for Josh Tan. The lead is 6 for Legacy. Arias, screen by Bobadilla. Step back 3. Short rebound, Manalili. Manalili to Kamigi. Kamigi to Manalili. Manalili to Arias. Arias back to line for play. Rebound, Manalili. And there's a foul. Foul number 7. Steven Cameron. Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Manalili. Chance for Silok to cut down the lead. First free throw, right left, no good for Manalili. That's the end of the third quarter. One more free throw for Manalili. Second free throw is no good for Manalili. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 33 for Legacy assists, 27 for Silok. Okay, back to the ball game. This is week 6. First game between Legacy Systems and Silok. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Legacy. Referees for tonight, J. Mac and Jaren. Cabral to Kuya. Back to Cabral. Cabral for play. Bang! 3-point shot is good for West of Cabral. Increasing the lead to 9. Santos, step back jumper, money for Santos. The lead is 7 for Legacy. And directing traffic. Screen by Chua, sasaklaking play. Too strong, sky high for that rebound there. Santos. Santos to Arias. Screen by Bobadilla. Arias, short step. Layup a short rebound. Santos. Step back jumper. No good. Rebound. Palitua. To Chan. Chan, one-on-one against Kamigi. Chan, the best layup. No good. That was a foul. Foul in Silok, number 2. Kamigi. First personal foul. First team foul. Josh Chan will travel to the free throw line, shooting 2 free throws. Chance for Legacy to add to their 7-point lead. First free throw is good for Chan. Increasing the lead to 8. One out of 2 for 10. Defensive rebound by 10. To Cameron, hook shot by Cameron is there. And it is now double figures for Legacy. Santos. Stolen by Time. Time, raise it up, raise it in. And it is now Arias. To Santos. Santos, setback jumper, uses the gas. 3-pointer is good for Santos. Next up. Kuya to Cameron. Cameron by the baseline. Cameron for 10. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 10. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation for Legacy. Substitution record. Capuno for Cabral. Judah Ribanal and Nakuhili for Kamigi and Wells. Arias. Who's calling the timeout? Timeout. Legacy assist. 6 minutes and 38 seconds left in this fourth period. 10-point lead for Legacy assist.
May we invite our spectators to please sign up to our nightly spectator raffle entry. It will be drawn after this game, second half of next game. The winner will be getting an NFT t-shirt, a small meal voucher, and a Cafe Studio voucher. Thank you for attending the game.
Okay, back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 43 in the last quarter. Double figure lead, 10-point lead for Legacy. Plenty of time left. Arias, Swindling Padilla to Santos. Back to Arias. Arias to the step back by Santua. Recovered by Arias. Rebanal for play. No good. Rebound to Padilla. Put back no good. Rebound Santua. But there's a foul. Foul on Salog, number 3 for Padilla. Second personal foul. 17 foul. Kuya to Capuno. Time. Back to Kuya. Good ball movement for Legacy. Kuya, scoop pass to Cameron. Cameron, fade away, Jerry. Yes, sir. 2-pointer is good for Cameron. Lead is now. Arias. Then by Bubadilla. Arias against Capuno. Arias fakes, drop pass to Santos. Raise it up, plus a foul. Foul number 13, Palichuma. Palichuma, second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw is good. Substitution rep. Bonus free throw is good for Santos. Rebanal for Aquin. The lead is 10 for Silo. For Legacy rather. Three minutes and 40 seconds. Kuya, directing traffic against Arias. Kuya to Capuno against Aquin. Capuno, screen by Palitua. Bounce pass to Cameron. To Chan, 5 seconds to shoot. Palitua, hook shot. Never back to the foul. Pushing foul on number 3, Bobadilla. Third personal foul, third team foul. Next time out, Ref. Kanina pa sila nag-answer. Next time out, Legacy. First free throw shot. Rebound by Santos. Santos. Win for the great shot. Rebound. Timeout, Ref. Timeout, Legacy. That's the last timeout of Legacy assist. 2 minutes and 47 in the last quarter. Our second game for tonight, the undefeated Yolanda Holmes versus the 3-1 AR Beauty Studio. We have a nice crowd going on here. Anticipating this second game match between the top two teams. Legacy assists with the ball. 2 minutes and 47 in the last quarter. 10-point lead by Legacy. Time. Kuya to Tan. Moves closer. Takes it out to Cameron. Corner tray. Too strong. Rebound. Secured by Santos. This is a 9-point lead for Legacy. Arias to Akumin, but that's a foul. Sorry, it's a double dribble. Turnover for Salog. 2 minutes and 14 in the last quarter. Next up, Kuya Tachan. Legacy with a 9-point lead. Tan against Akumin. Offensive foul is the goal of the referee. Turnover for Legacy. Technical foul on Tan. So penalty left. Offensive foul and technical foul to Justin. So technical foul. J-Mac. Technical offenders for Santos, possession Salog. Last 2 minutes. We approach. Arias with the ball against Capuno. To Akumin drive, shot, number para sa foul. Substitution shot. Foul on number 7, Stephen Cameron. Third personal penalty, substitution shot. Judah. 2 free throws for Akumin. First free throw for Akumin is good. Carrying the lead to 8, 1 minute and 52. 1 out of 2 for Akumin. Offensive rebound ng Padilla. Put back by Padilla, no good, but there's a foul. Foul number, who's foul ref? Cameron, fourth personal foul penalty. 2 free throws will be awarded to Padilla. Still an 8-point lead, chance for Salog to cut down the lead. First free throw is good for the Padilla. The lead is 7. 2 out of 2 for Padilla. Grade 6, Kuya Tutan. San Capuno, Idris J, no good, rebound. Rebound by Akuin. Akuin against Kuya. Layup, no good, rebound to Padilla. Over the back foul on Bobadilla. Fourth personal foul, warning for penalty. Missed opportunity for Salong. Still a 6-point lead. Metro Chandler. Kuya directing traffic for Legacy. Kuya against Akuin. Kuya against Asar. Foul number 3, Bobadilla. That's the 5th personal foul of Bobadilla. Penalty. That's it for the night for Edwin. Kamigi will check in for Edwin Bobadilla. Kuya will shoot 2 free throws for Legacy. 6-point lead for Legacy. First free throw is good for Kuya. Increasing the lead to 7 for Legacy. Two out of 2 for Angelo Kuya. The lead is 8. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ayas to Kamigi. Kamigi fakes. To Akuin. Akuin. Idris J. Too strong. Rebound Akuin. To Kamigi. Ayas. Moves closer. Shot no good. But this is foul. Foul number 8. Capuno. Second personal foul penalty. 57 seconds left. 8-point lead for Legacy. First free throw is good for Arias. Two out of 2 for Arias. Time with the ball. Time to Kuya. Kuya breaks the press. Bounce pass. Pass deflected by Kamigi. Possession remains with Legacy. 16 to shoot. Second game for tonight. They are Building Studio versus Yolanda. Please be ready. Kuya to kanan. Stolen by Arias. Arias. Stop, pops, and play. Short. Rebound Kamigi. Kamigi to Akuin. Floater, no good. Rebound Panitua. Panitua to Kuya. Kuya, denied! Foul on Silog, number 2, Kamigi. Second personal foul, penalty. First free throw for Kuya is good. 34.7 seconds left. Two out of 2 for Kuya. 34 seconds left. Santos with the ball. Santos under duress. Santos loses the ball. Over by Baranini. Kamigi. Layup is good for Kamigi. Shot clock is off. Dangerous pass. Water over by Palitua. Palitua drives. Palitua scores. Santos against Kuya. Nice it up. Nice it in for Santos. Last 5 seconds. That's it for the first game. Official score 49 for Legacy Assist, 43 for Silog. Good game, guys.